You guys, I made Ewedu soup and I am so proud of myself because it tastes so good and it is very easy to make. I made this with fresh okra and frozen Ewedu leaves. What I am doing right now is cooking this okra in very little water for some minutes and then adding in the frozen Ewedu. This Ewedu, I literally forgot in the freezer for a very long time and I thought, why not make Ewedu with this? I got this inspiration of, adding the okra from some trendy videos of people using boiled okra and spinach to make Ewedu soup, but with spinach and okra. So you can try that if you don't have Ewedu. And by the way, you are going to be hearing me saying okra or okra. Please, from where I'm from, we call it okra most of the time. Anyway, that's by the way. So I've dished out the okra just to give the Ewedu more time to boil in the same water I used to cook the okra. And now it is cooked enough. The next step is to, transfer everything just to mix it up together and give it a slight cook. And then I will be transferring it into a blender and blending together to make a paste. I have just finished blending the peppers for the Ewedu stew I used to serve this Ewedu soup. That's why you can see some red particles in the blender at the moment, which is totally fine. Guys, I am aware that there are different ways of making Ewedu soup, and I have tried this method. I am happy with this method, and this is what works for me and my household at the moment. So if this is not your style, it's okay to, try out other things, or maybe try this and you might like it. And this is the blended paste we have here. There are different textures. So this one is finely blended. You can see it has the smoother texture. And then the other one, this one, is quite rough. You can see the texture difference, right? I am going to be mixing both textures. The water you see me pouring into the pot is from the blender. So I rinsed off the blender and I'm pouring the water into the pot. And now, in goes the crayfish powder. That's your blended crayfish. Salt to taste. This is when you get to add your pepper or whatever other ingredients you want to add. Locust beans is one of the key ingredients when you're making your Ewedu, if you understand. So this is fresh locust beans. Well, it's frozen. It's from the freezer. And then you have the seasoning cubes. I am not going to be adding pepper because I am going to be serving this Ewedu soup with a very spicy Ewedu stew, or a very spicy stew. Now goes in the blended paste. That's the okra and Ewedu paste. Mix properly, allow to cook for a few minutes. Remember, we already pre-cooked the okra and the Ewedu leaves, so you don't have to cook too much. Just allow to boil, and guys, that is it. It is ready. Very yummy. I can literally smell the Ewedu soup just by looking at this video. It's giving buka, those mama put buka. I am so thankful that I am able to make my own Ewedu soup at home. So that is it, guys. It is ready. I will be serving this Ewedu with very spicy Ewedu stew and semo. Of course, I recorded the process of making the spicy Ewedu stew. It is also very easy to make. I hope you get a notification when I upload the video, and that is possible if you get to subscribe, like, and comment. I like to know what you think about this recipe, and I hope you find this video helpful in one way or the other, because that is the aim of my channel, to be able to enrich you, leave you with something positive and beneficial in one way or the other. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.